Good day, everyone. Today we'll present our solution for the Ethics in Action Decision-Making Challenge presented by Jimsaris Al Santos and Ronaldo Diaz. The ethical dilemma. Cisco must decide whether to cut costs by outsourcing production or invest responsible practice. Our dilemma is whether the company should outsource production at a lower cost but with questionable practice or choose a more ethical yet more expensive approach. Option Option A, outsource to cheapest supplier, low cost but poor labor ethics. So, option A kay outsource sa cheapest supplier, barato siya, pero problema kay poor ilang labor ethics which is risky for the company reputation. Option B, partner with ethical supplier, moderate cost, high responsibility. Work with an ethical supplier, mas mahal gamay pero sure nga responsible og compliant sa law plus good for stakeholder trust. Option C, house in-house production, very high cost but very ethical. In-house production, pinakamahal ni siya pero very ethical and sustainable, aligned with sa long-term value sa company. So mao ni among decision making metrics option, final impact, ethical responsibility, legal compliance, stakeholder satisfaction, and overall scores. So sa A, kaya ang financial impact niya for then sa ethical responsibility kay 1 and legal compliance 2 and stakeholders 1. So ang overall score niya kay 8. Then sa B, ang overall score sa B kay 17 and sa C kay 15. So pipiliin na mo ang overall na pipiliin na mo ang option B kay siya ang pinaka-highest na score and gamit ni og decision making metrics para mas klaro ang comparison. Option A, barato pero bati og ethics o reputation. Sa option B, balanse siya, okay ang cost o mas maayo ang ethics. And option C, pinaka-ethical pero very expensive kaayo.
So, for this discussion, I will discuss our decision. We choose option B, ethical suppliers, reason balance, financial impact, store ethical responsibility, ensures compliance, builds long term. So, our decision is script among gipili is option B, ethical suppliers kay balance man siya, dili kayo mahal pero at the same time ethical compliance sa law og makahatag og trust sa mga stakeholders. So next conclusion, choosing the ethical suppliers reflects Psycho's value of integrity, responsibility, and sustainability. These solutions secure long-term success from both the company and its stakeholder. So sa conclusion, so is conclusion mas importante na magpili ta og ethical o responsibility na decision kaysa mag-focus lang ta sa short terms. Saving by choosing option ba B, we show na ang company na practice og integrity, responsibility o sustainability mao ni siya ang best path for long-term success. So that's all. Thank you.